In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management. By the end, you'll have a clean, practical structure that keeps your projects organized from kickoff to closeout. Start in the left sidebar of ClickUp and look for spaces. Click the plus sign to create a new space. Give it a clear, memorable name that matches how your company organizes work, like the client name or a portfolio, so everyone knows where to put project information. Then click Continue to move into Setup. Next, define your workflow. You'll see a few presets, including starter, marketing teams, project management, and product plus engineering. For construction, the starter option is a great place to begin because it's lightweight and easy to adapt. You can always refine it later as your team gets comfortable. Review the default views that come with the space. List is excellent for punch lists and daily logs. Board helps you visualize stages like pre-con, in progress, and closeout, and timeline or Gantt is helpful for scheduling. Keep what you'll actually use and remove noise to reduce confusion. Now look at task statuses. Align these with your construction lifecycle so field teams and office teams speak the same language. Simple, consistent statuses make it obvious what needs action and what's finished. Then open ClickApps and enable only what adds value. Time tracking is helpful for labor reporting. Dependencies ensure work happens in sequence, and a few well-chosen custom fields like location, trade, cost code, or priority make filtering and reporting far more powerful without overcomplicating things. Click Create space to lock that in. Inside your new space, click the plus sign and choose folder. Folders help you group work by project or by phase. Name the folder clearly and add a short description that explains scope, timelines, and key stakeholders. This gives new team members instant context. Click Create to add it. Continue adding folders for the areas you manage most. Think pre-construction, procurement, site operations, or closeout, so related tasks live together and are easy to find. Now start adding tasks. Create tasks for concrete activities like permits, submittals, mobilization, inspections, change orders, and punch items. Assign an owner and a due date, attach drawings or specs, and add subtasks for multi-step work. Use comments for daily updates and decisions so communication stays with the task. As work progresses, update statuses and switch views to see workloads, schedules, and blockers at a glance. And that's your construction-ready ClickUp setup. Simple, structured, and ready to scale as your projects grow.